Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Andy. Today we will be modifying the cheap AliExpress intake one more time before I replace it with a proper intake. I will be adding golden heat reflective tape onto the intake pipe, which should help a little bit probably with the intake temperatures. But first we need to get the air filter off, which I'm already doing over here. And after removing the air filter, we can remove the intake pipe from the engine bay. In the previous episode of modifying the cheap AliExpress intake, you saw me put on the big purple air filter, but as you can see I also drove around a little bit with the red velocity stack filter, which also performed very well. Before I remove the masking tape, I will add some markings with a black marker so we know where to start with the golden tape. Of course we need to clean the intake pipe a little bit, or at least degrease it. This will make sure that the golden tape will stick on the intake pipe as it should. I used regular brake cleaner for degreasing the pipe. Now the intake pipe is degreased, we can start using the golden tape to mock up where we start with the tape. Of course we can use the marking for that. It's still visible even after cleaning, which is good. And in my experience it's better to use a lot of short pieces of tape instead of longer pieces, especially with a curved surface like the intake pipe. Okay, time to start with the first piece. Just as a reminder, this doesn't need to be perfect, just make sure the tape has enough overlap. And as you can see right here, even if it seems to be a straight section, it will still give a lot of wrinkles and cracks within the tape, so don't worry about it. Just keep adding sections of gold tape to your intake pipe. There's no real right or wrong over here. And this part, it seems with the bend over here, the piece of tape I added is a little bit too large, and then I need to make some relief cuts to make sure that it sticks well to the intake pipe. It would have been better if I just added smaller sections of tape, especially to the bend. Let's save us some time and let's fast forward. This is about 50% done. I'm already really happy with the looks. Time to fast forward again. and this is about 70 to 80% done. Already looking good. And after a little while you should end up with something like this. Let's look at the intake pipe in the daylight. Again, I'm really happy with the end results. If it really works and lowers the intake air temperatures, I'll leave that up to you, but I'm very happy with this small modification. Time to put the intake pipe back into the engine bay. Once the intake pipe is properly seated, it's time to tighten the clamps at both sides. And let's look at this great end result. Again, if it really lowers the intake air temperatures, I'll leave that up to you. But for now, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next video.